Welcome. Here's Annette again. And welcome to the sea in England. I invite you to listen to the voices and just to watch the beautiful nature. I invite you for a little short break. Just watch what is there. Are you judging that there's some fog and you cannot see anything? I hope so you do not. Please check. What is there in nature? When you open your perception more and more, you get into a deeper connection of nature. You connect with nature, and by doing this, you also connect more and more to yourself. And how great is life when being in connection with everything that is. Do you see the beauty of nature right now?